Two of the biggest names in website building go head-to-head, Builder.ai versus Hostinger. Which one truly gives you the edge? On one side, harness the power of no-code app creation with Builder.ai. On the other, the all-in-one website and hosting platform, Hostinger. Today we're testing them across the things that matter most. Ease of use, customization, price, features, support, and real-world results. Forget the flashy promises. Let's dig into what actually matters for you. Points are up for grabs in every category, and when the dust settles, you'll see exactly who takes the crown. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. .ai versus Uranus Truntristas. Alright, let's pull up the mind map. Here's what we're comparing. Pricing, ease of use, flexibility and features, ecosystem and integrations, support, and finally speed and reliability. Ready? Let's break it down category by category. Okay, first up, pricing. Builder.ai works on this pay-as-you-go system with custom scalable pricing, so it kinda grows with you. But honestly, if you want something super custom, the price can creep up fast. Meanwhile, Hostinger is, wow, it's known for being seriously cheap. We're talking low-cost shared hosting and even a free domain if you go for an annual plan. The catch? Well, their renewal prices can jump and you might pay extra for things like backups. Still, for pure affordability, Hostinger snags the win here. Moving on, ease of use. Builder.ai, I gotta say, the interface is actually no code for real. You've got these AI-powered workflows that take a lot of the grunt work out of building apps. There is a learning curve, especially for trickier logic, but overall, it's slick. Hostinger's no slouch though. The dashboard is super welcoming for beginners, and you get one-click installs for stuff like WordPress. But the UI? Honestly, it's kinda basic, and if you need advanced options, you might poke around a bit. In this round, Builder.ai takes the crown. Now, flexibility and features. Here's where Builder.ai shows off. You want a custom app? You got it. Integrations, automated deployment, plugins, it's a feature fest. Only real drawback is you can't poke around the server side too much. Hostinger, on the other hand, handles websites and basic apps really well. Like if you're running a WordPress blog, it's perfect. But anything mobile or more custom? Nope, that's outside its comfort zone. Builder.ai definitely takes the win for flexibility and features. No contest here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Hostinger actually started out of a student dorm in Lithuania back in 2004. How wild is that? From one dorm room to hosting millions of sites. Alright, on to ecosystem and integrations. Builder.ai can hook into third-party APIs and has its own plugin marketplace, which is pretty neat. There's the odd niche integration missing, so check if your favorite tool is there. Hostinger is solid for most mainstream content stuff, WordPress, Joomla, that kind of thing, and email plus SSL is built right in. But honestly, the app ecosystem just isn't a thing beyond web hosting. Again, Builder.ai comes out ahead if you want real integration power. Let's talk support. Both actually do a decent job. Builder.ai rocks 24/7 human support and even helps manage your whole project. Support quality varies a bit based on where you are though. Hostinger has live chat 24/7 and their knowledge base is super handy, though email replies can be slow, especially on the cheaper plans. So it's a tie here. Both solid with a couple quirks. Last category, speed and reliability. Okay, so Builder.ai has managed cloud hosting and will automatically scale your app based on demand, which is awesome, but you're always relying on their infrastructure. Hostinger? This is their thing. They deliver really high uptime, they've got data centers all over the place, and you even get a free CDN. If you're on the absolute cheapest plan, speed varies, but overall, Hostinger just nails it for speed and reliability, so they take this round. If we throw all those scores on a radar chart, you can literally see which platform dominates each category. Hostinger stretches out for pricing and reliability, while Builder.ai spikes on ease of use and features. So, if you want a powerhouse for custom apps, like really doing your own thing without touching code, Builder.ai is a game changer, especially for startups or businesses with ideas bigger than just a website. But if hosting a simple site, blog, or small business page is the goal, Hostinger honestly gives you a ton of value without killing your wallet. If you found this helpful, stick around for more side-by-side tech comparisons. See you in the next one.